Hey, welcome to the channel. A couple of months ago I picked up a mecpow X3 Pro diode laser engraver, 10 watt. I wanted to see if I could add laser engraving into some of the products I build. Just for my own knowledge. And I didn't want to use plywood. Everybody uses plywood with the laser engravers. And they get some really cool results. I want to use hardwood, like maple. So I took a bunch of my scraps, cut some stuff up. One of the things I did, oak. I made a little cookie tray for Santa Claus. I took oak and engraved a ship into it. I took some elm, made a little sign that says no soliciting to hang by the front door. I took elm and I went online and found all of the vintage blueprints for AR-15s, for Camaros, Mustangs, for all of the old classic cars. And I figured out how to get it to do a really detailed engraving into hardwood. Wasn't hard to do. You could make welcome signs for Christmas, for any holiday. You can even, and I've started doing this, is just getting started here. Took some walnut, going to make a charcuterie board for sell for Mother's Day. You can even go as far as engraving stainless steel. These are 8-ounce stainless steel flasks. You just have to be patient, run a couple of practice pieces to get your settings down right for each one. Once you do, the machine's beautiful. It'll do what it needs to do. It's accurate. Very detailed with the right settings. Any of the files that I use, there will be a link in my in the description below for the files on my website. They'll all be in Lightburn. They will be free of charge. So if you want to jump in on the bandwagon and start playing around and make some of these, you're welcome to them. There will be a link to the unit I'm using on Amazon. It's the mecpow X3 Pro 10 watt. Comes with the air assist. It does work very, very well. It is wireless if you want to go wireless. The whole system is like $329. It's worth a shot. Give it a try. Add some things to your builds, add some custom touches. If you want to start selling things like I'm going to do here, I'm going to start doing all of the custom blueprints for the man caves. They'll all be done on solid hardwoods with a nice frame around them. Mother's Day, Father's Day, there's all kinds of things you can do with it. The system works very well. I'm very happy with it. And this is not a paid advertisement. I paid for the machine. I have got the Y-axis extension on mine, so it is twice as long as normal, so I was able to do this. They do offer a rotary. I have not picked that up yet. That's my next thing to start working with, is playing with tumblers. I got it, like I said, because I want to add some details, some things to some of the builds I do. Maybe do some engraving and do mother of pearl inlays in them, things like that. It's what I want to add it to be, or have it to be able to do that. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and follow for more. See what I can do with this thing.